Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into a feature inside Omnissa Horizon that is, and I mean this, a total game changer for anyone managing virtual desktops. We're talking about automated pools. So let me ask you something. Does this picture feel a little familiar? Are you bogged down in that endless grinding cycle of building, configuring, and then updating virtual machines one by one by one? It's slow, right? It's repetitive, and let's be honest, it is a massive drain on your time. Well, this whole scenario has a name. We call it the VDI management maze. With traditional manual pools, you're forced to create every single machine ahead of time. And yeah, Horizon can see them, but it can't really manage them, not automatically anyway. So when you need to scale up or push out an update, it becomes this monumental task, and trying to keep every single one of those desktops consistent feels pretty much impossible. But what if there was a way to just escape that maze entirely? Well, good news, there is, and it's called the automated pool. This is Horizon's brilliant built-in answer for deploying and managing desktops the smart way. So what is it exactly? To put it really simply, an automated pool is a group of virtual desktops that are all perfect copies of each other. And the key here is that Horizon creates and manages all of them for you, all from one single perfect master template. And this is where the real magic comes in. With automated pools, Horizon just takes complete control of the whole process. We're talking rapid deployment, scaling up or down on the fly, and managing the entire lifecycle of these desktops from start to finish. And what's the result? You get a perfectly consistent, clean, and reliable environment for every single one of your users every single time. Okay, so how on earth does Horizon pull all this off? Well, the secret is a concept called the golden image. This one thing, this is the source of truth, the master key for your entire fleet of desktops. That's it, right there. Your golden image is the master blueprint. You build it once, you get it absolutely perfect, and then Horizon uses that blueprint to stamp out every single desktop in the pool. And the best part, if you ever need to make a change, you only make it in one place, the blueprint. And the workflow itself is just so straightforward. Seriously, check this out. First, you build your perfect virtual machine. That's your golden image. Second, you take a snapshot of it. Then you just hop into Horizon, define a few settings for your pool, and basically hit go. Horizon handles the rest, automatically deploying all of those identical desktops based on the rules you just set. Now, when you're setting up one of these pools, you come to a pretty crucial fork in the road. You have to decide how these desktops are actually going to be created. Horizon gives you two incredibly powerful ways to do this: instant clones and full clones. And trust me, understanding the difference is key. This table breaks it all down beautifully. On one side, you have instant clones. Their name says it all. They are all about speed. They can spin up a new desktop in seconds because they cleverly share memory and disk with a parent VM. This makes them non-persistent, which means every time a user logs off, the desktop resets to that clean, pristine state. On the other side, you have full clones. These are completely independent copies. They do take a bit longer to create, and they use more resources, but they're persistent. So a user's changes and files are saved, just like on a regular physical computer. So just think about what this means for you. If you've got a call center, a computer lab at a school, or really any scenario where you need to give users a fresh, clean desktop every single time they log in, instant clones are an absolute powerhouse. Full clones, on the other hand, are for your power users. We're talking about developers, graphic designers, maybe executives, anyone who needs their own dedicated, personalized machine that just works. Their environment is their own, but you still get all the benefits of managing it centrally. It's the best of both worlds. And all of this ties directly into how users get their desktops. With a floating assignment, a user just grabs the next available machine from the pool, which, as you can guess, pairs perfectly with instant clones. With a dedicated assignment, a user is permanently matched to one specific desktop. That's their machine, and that's the standard for full clones. Okay, so we've gone through the what and the how. But now for the most important part, the payoff. Why does any of this really matter to you and your organization? Honestly, the benefits here are just massive. Your entire image management process becomes incredibly simple. Need to roll out a critical security patch? You just update that one golden image, recompose the pool, and bam, Horizon automatically pushes out the changes to everyone. Patching is streamlined, user consistency is guaranteed, and you can deploy brand new desktops almost instantly. Look, if you take only one single thing away from all of this, please let it be this. The entire philosophy, the whole point of automated pools, boils down to this one simple, powerful idea. You manage one and you deploy hundreds, or even thousands. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. Is your current desktop fleet actually working for you, making things faster and more efficient? Or are you constantly working for it, trapped in that manual management maze we talked about? Because automated pools, they might just be your way out.